of us have to believe that we're decent. How do you live with yourself? How do you tell yourself that you're decent?
What they call me?
Kingslayer. Kingslayer. Kingslayer! What a king he was.
Kingsley, Oathbreaker, man without honor.
And who are you? The proud Lord said that I must bow so low. Only a cat of a different coat, that's all the truth I know. A coat of gold or a coat of red, a lion still has claws, and mine are long and sharp, my lord, as long and sharp as yours. And so he spoke, and so he spoke, that Lord of Castamere. But now the rains weep o'er his hall, with no one there to hear. Yes, now the rains weep o'er his hall, and not a soul to hear.
First I killed the pyromancer, and then when the king turned to flee, I drove my sword into his back. Burn them all, it kept saying. Burn them all.
And so he spoke, and so he spoke, that Lord of Castamere. But now the rains weep o'er his hall, with no one there to hear. Yes, now the rains weep o'er his hall, and not a soul to hear. And so he spoke, and so he spoke, that Lord of Castamere. But now the rains weep o'er his hall,